Hi everyone, what is up? My name is Haley. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you did not know, now you do. Hey you guys, what's up? So in today's video, y'all, I'm going to be doing an unboxing. Before I start my unboxing, I'm going to ramble on and give the backstory and so go over some points that I want to talk about in this video. You can skip if you want to, but I like giving backstories and I like talking about my experience because I want to let other people know what it's like shopping at LV for me. This isn't for everyone, but this is my experience. I was not expecting to buy this bag. I bought it today, a few hours ago. That's why I look a little crusty, musty, and tired because I got home and it's late at night and I didn't really want to wait to open this because usually I sit my bags down for a few days in the corner, in the closet, weeks, and I don't open them till later. But I just wanted to really see this bag and use it and just share it. And I don't know, I'm so excited about this bag. I saw a few speculations and rumors online the past couple of days, I want to say the past week, about there being another price increase with LV products, and I wasn't sure if it was going to be just the United States because a lot of times they sometimes single out certain regions. So I'm in Europe right now and I was like, okay, well, if it's just the United States, I don't have to worry. But then a lot of people were saying it might be the whole world, and I was like, no, because I don't want to pay any more money, because even a 10% increase on this bag for me would equal to like $200 to almost $300, which is a lot of money for nothing when it was literally one day before $200, $300 cheaper. That's one of the reasons why I bought it. Also that I've been wanting this for a very long time, but I think after this I'm done buying bags for like a few months, maybe until like Christmas or New Year or something, because I keep buying stuff and I need to stop. We went to the LV store today and there are two in my location. There's a smaller LV, I call it a cozy LV store, and a department store near where I live. It's a freestanding store, it's just inside a department store here. And then we have the flagship store. I call it a flagship store, but I don't think it is a flagship store. It's just a humongous LV store. I think it's like 3 stories, 3 or 4 stories. It's very pretty. It has like the typical LV flair, and everyone likes going to that store because it just looks a lot nicer and it's a lot more elegant and expensive, and I don't know, it looks good. I might insert a picture so you guys can see what the difference is and how they look. Unfortunately for me, it's not that the people are nasty or anything. I've had positive experiences at this big store, but it sometimes doesn't feel personal and they sometimes don't have that much stock. I feel like because so much clientele or so many clients are going in and out of the store and they're just selling product left and right. So every time that I go in, it's always been like, oh, we don't have that in stock, or you can just pay for it now and then get it in a few weeks, or they have a really long line, and that's not even including COVID, just in general. You sometimes have to wait 30 to 45 minutes to see a sales associate there. And it's just like, I can go down the street, literally a 5-minute walk down the road, and go to the smaller Louis Vuitton store inside the department store that has everything in stock. The people are nice, it's very cozy, it's very cute. So that's what I did. And now I think we can come to the, what is this called? The unboxing part of this video. Here is my wonderful bag, you guys. The lady was so kind. I really have to say, the lady that helped me today, like I said, everyone is always so perfect in this store with me, but this lady was so awesome. She even gave me samples when I asked, but then people, I hear them complaining like, oh, I asked for samples and they didn't give me any. And I'm just like, you can ask for samples. And I asked and they gave them to me. So awesome woman. Let's see, I have other stuff in there as well. I bought myself a lip liner on sale from MAC. It's really pretty. It's called Toast and Butter. And then here are my 2 samples. And it was the, oh, but here, it was the Rose Divin. I don't know if that's the right pronunciation. And I think this is what I want to add to my collection of perfume next. I don't know yet. Or the Louis Vuitton. I don't know what that's, how to pronounce it, you guys. And here is the, what is it called? The receipt and everything inside. It's very long and I don't know why. I don't remember if all of mine have been this long, but it's ridiculous. This will go away into my purse folder. I have a folder with all of my information, all of my receipts, all of everything. If you guys want to see the price of the purse, I will list it down below. I will list the United States website. I got this from Europe though, so it's a little bit cheaper. And yeah, we're going to now speed up to the unboxing because I've been talking so much. I don't want to unravel this because it's packed so beautiful. This bag is so heavy. The box is so heavy compared to the canvas pieces. It's not canvas, it is a leather bag, but it is a classic style, if that gives you guys any hints. They packed us so pretty. I wanted something black. I'll give you guys more hints. Oh my gosh, this knot. She tied it in a knot. She really like tightened it. Hold on, maybe just slide it off. I wanted to be cute, but I'll just slide it off. But yeah, I wanted something black, something classic. And if you watched my old video, you would have seen that I returned this bag in a different fabric slash material slash pattern. So this is what it looks like. Please don't look at my armpit. Hello. This is the bag. It's very, very heavy. Wow. This is a cool box. I actually like this size of a box. If anyone could guess in the comment section what it is, I don't know if you can, but for me, I already know what it is. I'm very excited to show you guys. And ooh, da, 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 da. Oh. Oh, Jesus. Let me like examine her and make sure she's beautiful and push everything in to like make it pretty for you guys. Oh, it smells so nice too. Okay, so I'm done examining it so I can show you guys her in all of her glory. I don't know what to name her, but this is the Alma BB, the Neo Alma BB in Empreinte leather in black. Oh my gosh. Y'all, this bag is beautiful. She comes with a strap, she comes with a lock, she has gold hardware, and she is fabulous. She also has an orange, I believe the color is saffron interior. I'll show you guys that way. She has a strap. She is a cowhide leather, and yes, this is what she looks like. She has a key as well. Hold on, I'll show you guys. She has 2 keys for the little lock. A lot of people put their lock in different locations. I don't know if I'm gonna put the lock on this bag yet. We shall see how I wear it in a couple of weeks, but this is what it looks like. I might keep the locks out though, or not the locks, the keys out, because I think it adds just more gold to the bag, and it's very nice to have the contrasting gold on the black. I don't know, does that look good or no? It doesn't actually look that good, so maybe I just keep them hidden. I can also take that off though. So, why I got this bag. If you guys follow me for a while, like I said, I returned the other version of this bag. I purchased very quickly, impulsively, the Alma BB and Damier Ebene. I bought the bag because everyone had it at the time. I think it was last December maybe, I don't remember, or 2 Decembers ago. Everyone had the bag and they were making such a hype of it that it was so hard to find. And I went into the store and they had the bag and it was like, oh my gosh, it's gonna sell out so quickly. And then this lady next to me was like, can I buy the bag? And they're like, no, it's the last one in the store. And then I had it, so I just bought it because I was like, I'm never gonna get this bag ever again. I took it home, and as soon as I got it and opened it, it just was underwhelming, and I was not impressed with the bag at all, which sounds so, how do you say, like spoiled of me to say, but I just think when you spend so much money on a product, not even when you spend so much money on a product, when you buy something that you are going to wear, if it's not for, let's say, a job or something, and you're just buying it because you like it, you need to, like I said, love it. It needs to fit to you. It needs to speak to you. You need to enjoy it. And if you buy something, especially that is so much money, and you don't enjoy it and you don't like it, I feel like that's a waste. So I returned it and I just let it sit, like I sat for a while just thinking how stupid I was. And also another factor for me of purchasing the other Alma BB and Damier Ebene so quickly was that it was so much more affordable than this bag. I think there was like a 500 or 600 euro difference, and I was just thinking to myself, oh well, it's so affordable. And when I got home, I just was not happy, and I felt like my money was not well spent. And with this bag, everyone has, you know, their vices or the things that bring them joy. For me, this makes me happy compared to the other one, compared to the original Alma BB, let's say. I do not own a Louis Vuitton leather piece. This is my first one, and I thought it was an awesome first leather purchase because, like I said, it's a classic. The Alma BB is a classic, but it's like the sexy cousin of the Alma, or the more matured, understated version of the Alma. There are a lot of Easter eggs on this bag that say it's Louis Vuitton. I mean, of course, it's like hot stamped or imprinted or whatever the heck it's called with the LV logo, but that is very understated and you can't really see from a distance. And there are little things like even here on this little, what is this called? The key pouch. It says Louis Vuitton Paris. Here, is this the front? I think this is the front. You can't really tell unless you look very closely. It says Louis Vuitton Paris as well. And yeah, I just thought it was a really cool rendition of a classic bag. And I feel like I don't have a black bag like this, a crossbody or top handle. I don't have a black bag in general. I have one Longchamp Les Pliages or whatever it's called, all black bag that I use. But something like this, a little mini bag, is not in my collection anywhere. And so yeah, I'm happy to have her. I have to think of a name for her, and I have to think of where I'm going to take her out first because she is sexy and beautiful. And I do have to say, everyone harps on Louis Vuitton's leather. I love their leather pieces. I really find them to be beautiful, well crafted, and I don't know, you can just tell in a lot of the pieces, the craftsmanship and just how the edges are perfect, the zipper is perfect, it's buttery smooth, the handles are stiff, the leather is still very soft and squishy and moldable, but still, I don't know, firm. I think that will change over time, but I think if I have an organizer inside and also stuff it and store it properly, it'll keep its shape. But yeah, this is my bag. This is my new baby. I might do a what fits inside of it soon, but until then, I'm very excited. I'm so excited. I don't know what to do about it. Oh my gosh. But yeah, that's it, you guys. If you have this bag, you can let me know. I haven't seen that many reviews about it online on YouTube or even on Instagram, that many posts about it. But you guys can let me know if you have it, what you think about it, and if you love it. You can let me know also if you have the original Alma BB in monogram or damier bean, and also tell me if you like that bag as well. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, you guys. Have a wonderful day, and bye.